Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're talking about Liven App. So guys, what is this? Is application on Play Store. You can use this application to design your personal well-being journey, and you can as you can see here, you can define your goals, can boost your write your goals and notes, and you get your personalized program, and you can enhance yourself with easy content, practical knowledge, and after that you can challenge your negative through behavior and motion. And this is a good application, guys, and you can use for productivity, and you can use for more and more option. This app, guys, have 2.3 million users engaged, and with 100k monthly active users. The certification score is 96%, and have a mode tracker, as you can see here, navigate your feeling, and you can pick up this option here, as you can see here, and you can discover more about yourself, and you can challenge and helpful thought patterns, and you can personal oasis for climb this option. You have two good option. You can track your mental feelings progress, and you can how you calm. And if I check, guys, on Trustpilot, I see almost good average review for 3.7 review, about 4,000 person with I check this review, as you can see here, good review. This is also good review. This is good. You can use this application, guys. You can try this. I hope this video helpful for you guys. See you on another video soon.